Hello kids, ever wondered that in reality shows of foreign countries they have their prize money in millions or in billions, and in India it is always lakhs or crore? Well, today you are going to find out the reason behind it. Do watch the full video, and yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So today we are going to learn about Indian and international numeral system. According to Indian numeral system, the values of the places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and so on. Thus, the periods are ones, thousands, lakhs, crore, and so on. So here you can see in the place value chart, there are periods from the right hand side, ones, thousands, and lakhs, and the places under them are ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, and 10 lakhs. Now, to make it easy for us to read and write the numbers, commas are used. These commas are inserted from right to left. First after 3 digit, then after 2 digit, and again after 2 digit, and so on. Thus, the pattern for inserting commas for Indian numeral system is 3, 2, 2, 2, and so on. Now, this numeral system is basically used in Indian subcontinents. That is countries like Bhutan, Maldives, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Nepal. So if you visit any one country from this, you will see that they are using this Indian numeral system where there is lakhs and crores. Now going to international numeral system. In international numeral system, the values of the places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, then comes 100,000, million, 10 million, and so on. Thus, the periods over here are ones, thousands, millions, and etc. So here you can see again in the place value chart that from the right hand side the periods are ones, thousands, millions, and under them the places are ones, tens, hundreds, that comes under ones, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, they come under thousand, million, 10 million, 100 million comes under millions. Now here in international numeral system, you observe there are 3 places in each period. Now kids, you have to always remember that for inserting commas, you have to insert as per the periods. Okay, so thus here in international numeral system, since there are 3 places, you will be inserting the commas from right to left after 3 digit. Okay, so here you can see the pattern that follows are 3, 3 and 3. Now here what I did is I put all the points in a kind of distinguish between. You can go through it, you can pause the video, you can write it down, or simply you can take the screenshot, whichever is easy for you. Now increase your knowledge. Well, does anyone know that according to Indian numeral system, which period comes after crore? Well, after crore it is Arab, then Karab, Neel, Padma, Shank. I'll take my first example wherein I have written the number as 2134785. We are supposed to read and write this number as per Indian and international numeral system. So first I'll focus on Indian numeral system. So first I will start putting the commas from the right to left. So here remember the pattern for inserting the commas, it was 3, 2, 2 and so on. So here you can see from the right hand side, after 3 digit there is a comma, then 2 digit there is a comma, then 2 digit. Okay, so this I have put in the place value chart, which will make it easy for us to read and write the number. Okay, so in places you can see I have written TL, L, TTH, they are just the initials of the places. Okay, so this number will be read as 21,34,785. Now as per international numeral system, first I will put the commas. So the pattern for international numeral system was 333. So here you can see from the right hand side I have left 3 digit, put a comma, then again 3, then put a comma. Okay, so this I have put in the place value chart to make it easy for us to read. Kids, you will be wondering how to read this number as per the International Numerical System. Here I personally use this trick. Okay, so here you can see that there is something known as 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, right? Can you observe there is some similarity with respect to 100, tens and ones? Here also it is 100,000, 10,000 and only 1,000. So what I'll request you imagine, okay, I'm telling you, imagine this 100,000 to be 100, 10,000 to be 10 and 1,000 to be ones. Okay, now just focus on this ones. How are you going to read this number 785? You will read it as 785, right? So same thing you are going to do over here also. You are going to read it, you are going to forget that it is in thousand or anything. You will just, for a moment you will forget it. Okay, so you can see that one is in 100. You are imagine, okay, don't forget that 100, 3 tens and 4 is in ones. So how are you going to read this? You are going to read it as 134, right? This is how you are supposed to read if they were in 100 tens in ones place. So same thing you are going to do. You are going to read it as 134, but since this is sitting in the thousands, you are just going to add that word at the end. So here it will be, the number you will be reading is 2,134,785. Now I'll take a second example, which is 465,980,72. I am supposed to read this and write this number according to Indian and International Numeral System. So first Indian. So first is to insert the comma. Pattern is 3 2 2 2. So from the right hand side 3, then 2 digit, then 2 digit, and so on. So I have inserted. Now I'll put this number in the place value chart, which makes it easy for me to read and write. So I have put it. And yes kids, please, whenever you are putting the numbers in the place value chart, start from the right hand side. Okay, so this number will be read as 4,65,98,072. And the last part is reading and writing this as per the International Numeral System. So first put the commas. So from right hand side, after 3, 3 and 3. So I have inserted the commas. Now I'll put it in the place value chart. Here it is. Okay, and remember the trick with regards to 1,000. Well, the trick remains for the International Numeral System. So here if there was 100 million also, so the same trick will go. So, okay, so 100 million you will imagine it as hundreds, 10 millions you will imagine as tens, and millions as one. So you will just read it as per the ones period, and then you at the end you will just add a million word. Okay, so here what will be the answer? So answer here will be 46,598,072.